Thozani bogogo nomkhulu salukwazi endoda lesogogo bathi nimbathe umavuna kuvala emzini nami amadoda u-Auntie Usha. Your number one, number Ian Locksmith. Today's topic is something that I have spoken about, but I've realized ukuthi it does have a little bit of impact whenever I do it again, and because whenever I do it, my approach is different. It's definitely different. So it's a tough one. And you can tell from the person that you are talking to ukuthi they have this problem. You can tell that, hey Gogo, Manjena, I was really looking forward for this thing that I went to take, or this thing that I took from you, or whatever ritual that I've done. I'm already looking forward. And then, then you say, now I'm a laughing stock in my family. Now I'm a laughing stock on my friends. Now this, now that, or somebody will say, I borrowed money, Gogo, for me to do this, whatever reason might be. Now this thing, I don't see it going well. Gogo, I don't know what is it that is happening. Others, they're fighting. Yeah, others, they're fighting. There's insults. Lots of insults. Because of what? Because of the external forces. Because of the negative external forces. Today's topic is still the same. Uguti, shut your mouth. Shut your mouth. Ngithi mina, shut your mouth. Wealth works in private. And there's something that I don't understand. Your family, that are the ones that are going to deal with the consequences of whatever wealth you went to get when you passed on, because they don't know what you did. But a chain of your friends, they know ukuthi, what is it that you did for you to get where you are. Guys, shut your mouth. Whether you are looking for a job, whether you are looking for a serious relationship, whether you are going to get married or now you are ready to get married, or somebody has proposed, ukuthi now it's going along these ways. Guys, learn to shut your mouth. Learn to shut your mouth. The problem is not with Muti. The problem is the pressure that Muti has now, because of there's a chain of people that you told when Uguti, this is what's going to achieve. This is what I'll be changing my car very soon. I'll be buying a house very soon. I'll be doing this very soon and everything. The same people that you are telling that are the ones that are making sure Uguti, you don't keep into your rituals that you're supposed to do. Learn to keep quiet. Shut your mouth. And this one of you guys not telling your family because of, yes, it's secret. You are not telling your family, right? It's fine. But there's a friends that knows, and those friends, they've never came forward to say to your partner or to your children, Uguti, your dad, your mom has this. Even on the family, there's a time whereby you don't tell them in the beginning, but there's a time whereby you're going to tell them to say, this is what is happening. There is a way in which a healer will guide you to say, how do you reveal then after Uguti what is happening? What is it that you are doing? At which point, at which stage do you reveal ukuthi this is what you are doing. This is what you have for wealth. There is a time whereby that is conducive, whereby you can tell. It is not that what you got it's not working. It is not that what you are waiting for is not coming. It's a pressure that you have now. Because talking too much, it makes you to have fake, unrealistic expectations. You start now having your own picture, because now you have told everyone who cares to listen on what is it that you are about to have. And it doesn't come. It doesn't come. It doesn't come. And this thing, all the countries, they know. Uguti, it's a problem that everybody has, not South Africans. Everybody has, meaning every country has those kind of people whereby a person will come. And here's the problem. When you go to a healer, you keep quiet. You know how to keep quiet. You know how to do it in secret. But as soon as you got what you are given, before it even starts working, when now you're already announcing the results that you haven't seen when. You haven't seen them. But already you are talking too much. This is what is coming. This is what is happening. It doesn't work like that. That's why even Muti is for people that are gifted, that has a calling to understand, or that have been taught, this is Muti for this. There's no labels in Muti to say, this one is written luck, this one is written money Muti, this one is written bring back the lost lover, this one is written a weak erection, this one is written what. You will never find that. Because there are no labels on the mountains where Muti is found. Why is that? Because it's not for public consumption. It is not for public consumption. Learn to keep quiet and learn to tell the relevant people when it's time to do that. When it's time to do that. Mina, I don't just talk to anyone. Mina, when I talk to somebody to say, this is what should happen because of these are the results that must come, I tell somebody that is sound here. I can see, I've spent time with this person. I can tell with this person, we are thinking more or less the same. It cannot be the same. More or less the same. We are on the same level of thinking capacity. Then I can say to this person, yeah, this is what it's happening. This is what we should expect. This is what we should do. This is what must happen and what. I plan with such people. I don't just open my mouth to anyone. That's why I don't have a pressure. That's why I drive my Uno very comfortable, because there's no one who's expecting me to say, hey, Ukoko by this time was supposed to be driving a Porsche Cayenne. No. Because I don't have pressure. I do whatever, especially things that are personal. There's a difference to me. There's Batinimbata, there's Ukoko Batinimbata. Those are two different people. Even on my things personally, I don't just talk and announce and everything. That's why you have never even seen my Uno. You have never seen it. Because it's not for public consumption. My lifestyle, my everything is not for public consumption. So why it is that whenever you have something that you are using and you tell everybody. And besides, I want to tell you a big secret today. Besides the fact you told people about the who will make sure there's these things that will see, whatever, who will wish you bad or who will do something to close you down. Besides that, the muti on its own, that mixture on its own, it is not for public consumption. It is yours. It is yours. It's meant for you. It's tailor-made. It's for you. So you cannot now think when no, this thing it's working, it's mine, and then you're going to tell anyone, hey, this is what I'm using. I know if a person, the partner told me, she will tell friends, she will even show friends. You see, this one is reaching this. You see, this one is reaching this. This one is reaching this. I'm going to be on fire. The partner was telling me that in front of her to say, Coco, is it necessary for somebody when they are on treatment? Everybody must know now that you can't go out today because you are busy with your treatment. People will start asking themselves, what treatment? And when things do happen, if you are lucky that you talk too much and things do happen, let's see how long it's going to take for those taps to shut down, for those taps to run dry. Let's see how long is it going to take. It doesn't take long. Trust me, it doesn't take long. That's why we're going around that, yeah, people who are wealthy, they don't say what. And guys, I'm not talking about Muti only. I'm not talking about Muti only. Your contacts. No one must know your contacts. Tenderpreneurs, guys, learn to shut up. No one must know when you have a contact with somebody who in procurement in this department. When I have my person lapana. You see, the minister is calling me. Maybe he needs something to drink. Hey, minister, how are you? Now you're posting. Aren't you drunk now? Now you drunk. That's why I say sometimes other people, alcohol is good for them. Others, it makes them mad, even mad. Minister, hey, how are you? What do you need? Oh, no, don't worry, minister. Let me, okay, give me an account number. I'll transfer you 50 grand just now. Thank you, sir. Hey, no, sure. Then you close your phone. Why? Why don't you save a minister as umzala? Eh? Hey, Kazi, skip on. Hey, Kazi, I'm with people here. I'll come back to you. You go in private, you speak to Kazi. Kazi, what's happening? Ukazi, you tell man. My son is getting married tomorrow. Then you organize that. You understand? In private. The people that we see people getting arrested and what. This and this thing, texting. Everybody must know on your status. Now you bought a new t-shirt. You post it. Yeah, on your status. You post it on a status. You know, nobody calls you, but you've got more than 300 people that viewed your status. Those people are your contacts, but they've never even called you while you were struggling, while you had status saying that, hey, here's my CV, hey, what, here I was graduating, what. They've never commented, they've never even watched those status. Because they were seeing what you were graduating, which means you have achieved something educational, whatever. They didn't care. Now that you are saying when that now they view your status. Posting. What is your private life has to do with us on a social media? Why upapa? How many people we have seen who have posted, the next thing they delete their accounts because of now shit hits the fan. Now they delete. How many people who got arrested just for being monitored on the social media platforms? You have this contact. This contact was doing genuine stuff for you, but was doing illegal stuff for other people. If this contact gets arrested, you are going to face the music as well. You have to go and dance as well. You have to go to that stage called court and sing as well. Why is that? Because we are failing to keep quiet. Everything that we do, everybody knows about it. Why? Why? That person knows when this is what you are doing. That person knows what you are doing. Why? What's the point behind? So, what you are using in terms of Muti, everybody knows about it. Your contacts, everybody knows about it. So, your life is exposed. How then are you going to handle the downfall? You're going to kill yourself. And not even a toilet paper will assist you. You will try several times, you won't die, because now it's time for people to laugh at you. To say, yes, they've achieved whatever they thought of you, and ukuthi kuyophela siyofana. Not everybody in the social media that likes you. Not all your friends have the best interest of you. No, not all your family members, not your siblings cares about you. No. There's a video that is coming talking about siblings war. It's deep. It's deep. Mina, I know pairs and pairs of twins who are not talking to each other, who hate each other. Who hate each other to bits. But that video is coming. So, meaning, even on your family members, be careful. Even on your family members, be careful who you talk to. What does it mean? You'll find your siblings on the way of life. What does it mean? Because at home they know for sure ukuthi get bad. Get bad. But Tina, we love showing off. Mina, I attend Usbanba. There's something called private consultations. Private consultations. We do have private consultations. Why private consultations? Because you know in future where you are heading to. You know. You can do a private consultations so that it's only you that is there on that moment, so that they help you, because you don't want people to know what you are doing. Whether you are a celebrity or you are just a bambino like Ukoko Batine Bata, it's fine. You can have locals and private consultations. You can do the online consultation. You can book a healer to come at your place in your comfort. You can do that. Yes, you can. You can. Is it cheap? No, it's not cheap. It's expensive. But you can. Why? Because of you need to close down your cycle. The problem that we have is people, they have big cycle. Hi, mina ngumuntu wabantu gogo. I like to be with people. People like me and I like people. I like helping out and everything, as if we will regard you as God or super ancestor. Kodwa. You are digging your own grave by doing that. So that's one of the lessons I came with from this country, from Jamaica, to say one of the prides of Jamaica, one of something that they pride themselves with. The fact that we drink together doesn't mean you must know everything about me. The fact that we smoke together doesn't mean you know me or you must know everything about me. The fact that we work together, we are colleagues. You are not my friend. We are colleagues. So Tina, you get employed today. Hi, he's like my brother. No, you are colleagues. There's a difference. You are colleagues. He's your neighbor. Or you grew up together. You are not friends. You grew up together. Even while you are growing up together, you have never spent at least a year together in same place seeing each other every day. There's a difference. But Tina, everybody, you don't have history. There's no favor. You have done nothing to him, but you call your friends, yourself friends. That's why even guys, this thing sounds like a joke. You'll see it on social media when they say, hey, it's nice to be guys. They can spend years knowing each other and just calling themselves, hey, brazo, hey, wola kau, wola mchita, wola me outi, wola. They don't even know their names. They don't even know their surnames. And you think that it's smart. I've seen people who have lost money. Who's this guy? I know him as Java. I know him as Tebza. Tebza, who is Tebza? I just know him as Tebza. Or I just know him as Bramuloi. That's it. That's it. When there's this guy who says to me, he always seen this old man with glasses. He always complains about eyes. He's always wearing glasses. He's always his gogo and everything, and he's always wearing scarf and everything, as if is this Americans or whatever, kind of an old man and everything. Pramuloi, what. There's no Pramuloi. That guy was on assignment. And the only difference that he did when he disappeared with this person's money is to take off those glasses, take off that hat, and shave, and remove the scarf, and become a normal person. That's it. That's all he had to do. And how this guy saw him, he was spotting some details on the nose. He had some black spots that the way they used to talk, he was able to count the black spots on a side of the nose. That's how he managed to say, this is the Bramuloi that I was talking to. But how did it get there? Because you don't pay attention. Everybody to you is your friend. All you like to do is wara. So guys, if you go to the healer and you are given something, learn to take notes. Make sure Uguti, you take notes, things that you know that everything is noted down. When you go home, use your stuff in private. In private. And there's another video that is coming whereby I'm explaining Uguti, what is the real way to use Umuti. How does Umuti works, or how to use Umuti? Not how it works, I did explain, but how do you use Umuti and why? So when I say private, allow me to leave it to say private, and don't think I'm contradicting myself when I'm going to explain this other one. And then I'm also going to bring this one to say, I said to you private. I'm still saying there it's private, by what private difference it is when I explain that on that video. For now, all I'm saying, Oguti, guys, let's keep quiet, man. Let's keep quiet. Let's keep quiet, guys, please. Let's keep quiet. Even if you are cheating, your friends mustn't know, Uguti, you are cheating. Yes, you've heard me. You are married and you are cheating. Your friends mustn't know. It must be your own thing. Uguti, that's what you know, because not all your friends you have are genuine. Others are friends today, tomorrow they will be what? Enemies. They will come with your CV of cheating to your partner. Do things alone. Learn to do things alone. Even if we are spinner, I'm not promoting crime, but even if you are committing crime or you are doing what, keep it to yourself. It's not for public consumption. The people you are telling are exactly people who are going to sing behind your back. And when you hear that melody of singing, you'll understand what is shit. I trusted him. I trusted her. But I told you. And you listen to this video. You've watched this video. Not once, not twice. But still, azange ngithathele koptu. Why is that? Why? Now you are arrested. Now this is a problem and everything. Here's another problem. You manage to tell your friends the truth of what you are doing. Now you are arrested, and let's say by luck, by the grace of your ancestors, you get a bail. You come to the healer, you tell your healer lies. You go to your lawyer, you tell your lawyer lies. The people that need to know exactly the truth, did you take it? Did you do it or you did not? If you did it, how did you do it so that I can see how I assist you? Then you hide it. It was not easy to tell you and everything. But when you told your friends, it was okay. There are people that we're dealing with their cases, serious cases. They can't tell mere truth to me as the healer, to the lawyer, so that the lawyer can tell you to say, that truth is going to get you arrested. Let's put it this way. Mina is not a matter of what you see to say in court. That is for you and and your lawyer. Mina, I must give you something that will take you out of the situation. It's up to you guys. All I'm saying is that it is very, very important. It's fundamental for us to keep quiet when doing rituals, when doing muti, when you fed something for wealth. It is not for public consumption. Others, they even tell ukuthi, oh, mina ngekwenze next, mina nginebhondi lona mina. Mina I go to Sbanibani from Mozambique. Yeah, my healer, is very powerful from Mozambique. The bullet will never pass me. Don't worry. Do you know Sbanibani? Yeah, that's my healer. I go there and everything. Then your enemies, they know who you go to. Then they go and buy that person. Either by muti traditionally, or they give that person money to say, give us this person. How much did he pay you? Here's the money, give us this person. We want his head. Then you are gone. Nepande lako. You are gone. Kateli bagete nepande lako. Why is that? Because you talk too much. Why people must know how protected you are? No. I've seen people with bodyguards. Bodyguards, they know everything about you. Your bodyguards end up knowing every small details, because when you thinking that you are showing off, can't you are exposing yourself? They know who you're cheating with. They know who's your healer. They know everything. At the same time, you don't treat them well. You treat them like rubbish. How do you treat as somebody that is looking after your life as a piece of shit? How do you do that? How do you do that? Because you are relevant today. Just today. Guys, life is one day at a time. I think there's one thing that you need to remember. Tomorrow is not guaranteed. Yesterday has passed. Life is one day at a time. You are living for today. And you must do things as if today is your last time alive. Just for today. Just for today. Just for today. Keep quiet. Tomorrow, just say to yourself, today I'm not going to talk too much. Today I'm not going to tell people about what is it that I do. That day, say the same thing. Just say, today I am not going to talk too much. Today, nobody must know that I'm on treatment. Today, nobody must know that I'm going to Mpangeni to get help. Today, nobody must know that I'm going through rubbish. I'm going through the worst in my family. Today, I'm not going to tell people about my problems. Just keep it like that. Today, I want to understand that I'm at work. This is a work environment. These are not my friends for today. And tomorrow you tell yourself the same thing. Don't think 10 years down the line, you'll never make it. Salwa sendo to koko batini batima vula kuvalenzi na mema dot. Auntie Osha. Till next time. Tozan.